Wednesday, March 16th, 2016. I'm on my way to work right now. This is the first day that I'm going to work, and my grandparents are fending for themselves, but they've got it. She's doing so much better every day. And there's little purple flowers out there. I don't know if you can see them, probably not. They're blooming today. It's 82 degrees, so it's officially hot today. I already cooked the dinner for tonight and put it in the fridge, so it'll be ready when I get home from work to just pop in the oven and warm up, and we'll have a nice night together. But I'm excited about going into work today, and it's a good day. Another good day. Also, last night and this morning, I started working on a video project that I've wanted to start for a while, and it's a documentary on my grandfather, and he's just got all these great stories and this really interesting life, and it's been cool to just sit together and have my camera and just film and have him tell me stories, and it's just been a really special, sweet time and really interesting, and I'm just really excited to get this documentary really going. My grandfather is a retired airline pilot, and before that he was a Marine pilot, and this morning he was telling me about the first time that he landed a plane on an aircraft carrier in the ocean. And when he flew up and he looked down at it, he started crying because he was like, there's no way I'm gonna be able to land my plane on that tiny little dot down there. And he'd been told all his life that he was too dumb to go to college, to make anything of himself, and he just was scared to death that he was gonna flunk, and this was where he was gonna wash out. And the first time he tried to land, he got waved off, went back around again, and then he did it. And he said that was the moment in his life that he realized he could actually do something, and he was really proud of that moment. And he was telling me about the hand signals they use on the carriers, and that the best part would be when he was sitting in there and revving up his engine, getting ready to take off the carrier, and he would be watching his gauges and everything, and then the guy on the ship would give that signal, which meant go. And he said that was the most amazing feeling in the world, and just hearing him say that, like, it almost brings tears to my eyes, because that's what he loves, and you can just tell that he was so passionate about that and wanted that so bad, and it's just so interesting to me. I love hearing what makes people just passionate and happy, and I don't know, it was a really cool story, and I can just feel the power in the engines and taking off, and I can just see it all, and it's just really cool. It was a cool way to spend the morning thinking about that. There's my city view with the spring trees. Back home now, serving up some dinner. I'm ready for this. I'll end the vlog here for the day. It was nice to come home and have dinner on the deck together, and it was still bright outside and still warm. Starting to get chilly, but still warm. The weather is perfect in my book. And the rest of the night I'm gonna edit the vlog, do a French lesson, play the piano, read, you know, all that fun stuff. And that's about it for the day. I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and I'll see you in my next one. Good night.